Latest now from Dortmund in Germany, where there's a Champions League match taking place tonight, a quarter-final involving Borussia Dortmund and Monaco. And reports coming in, you may see them at the bottom of your screen there, saying that there's been an explosion involving the Borussia Dortmund team coach. Some reports saying one person injured in that, but the team are safe. This is all we're getting at the moment then, that there has been a small explosion involving the Borussia Dortmund team coach. The club say their team are close. We've got no word yet on whether that game will kick off on time. It's due to kick off in 35 minutes. Borussia Dortmund v Monaco in the Champions League quarter-final. We'll bring you the very latest on that. Any more developments as we hear them.
Hier sind alle natürlich sicher. Über alle neuen Entwicklungen halten wir euch auf dem Laufenden, dass jetzt natürlich hier ein bisschen die Informationen schleppen kommt, müsst ihr verstehen, wir melden uns sofort wieder, wenn wir etwas Neues haben.